what is the what is boxing and unboxing? Okay, boxing, converting value type to a reference type is called boxing. What is value type? For example, we will be having int, primitive data types, struct, enum, all those are value types. To convert to reference types, we'll use boxing. So this will happen implicitly, automatically, no need of explicit conversion. But unboxing, convert from reference type to value type, we will do unboxing. This will require explicit type conversion. For example, int.parse, convert dot to int32, string to integer we are converting, reference type to value type. For that, we need explicit type conversion. For example, int I equals to 10. This is value. What is reference? Object. obj equals to I. That's it. Implicitly. For unboxing, you can't do like this. We have to do explicitly. How we do? For example, object I. So int I equals to, we cannot directly give like this object of I. Here you have to do conversion, type conversion, int of object, like this, int32 dot parse of object, or convert that to int32 of object, like that. So this is called explicitly. We have to give the destination data type here. Sorry? Destination. So to which type you will convert, that type you have to specify here. Okay. This is called unboxing. Thank you for watching.